Okay. Hey, what's up? It's your brother Frankie J, and look who I'm with, Mr. Dr. G. I'm in Dallas. I'm in D-Town. If you guys have any back pain, neck pain, whatever kind of pain, you got to hit up Dr. G, man. He'll definitely hook you up. He'll adjust you the right way, man, and get you going, get you cracking, literally.
Yeah.
And I had to stop by and say what's up, man. All right? You guys be safe. Take care. God bless. Dr. G in the building. I'll be honest with you. This shoulder here, the left shoulder.
Yeah.
I've had issues, just with pain here and there, my lower back. Yeah, because always on planes or not just that, but you're on the phone.
Yeah, man, for sure.
So those are the kinds of things that.
The shoulder. Do you have any like limits with movement?
No.
Pretty good up this way. Pretty good too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right, man. Well, then what we'll do, we'll start. I know Heavy wants me to work through he wants me to show you this over here. You can come over here, but you're gonna have to take your shoes off. Like, put your arm right here, just so I can show you how this works. Okay. So it's gonna create a current between me and you. So I'm gonna touch this pad here. Tell me if it's too much. Look,
yeah, this is cool. Yeah.
You see the fingers?
Oh wow, dude, this is crazy.
See, it stimulate the nerves.
Wow.
Look, flip it over like this. I should see that.
I feel like Spider-Man.
Yeah. See, we can even do here.
Oh wow.
It's like a puppet, right?
Wow, that is nuts.
What it does, it'll recharge your muscles, it'll loosen them up, decrease inflammation. But I'm gonna do it right here because it'll make the neck adjustment go a lot better. All right.
Okay.
But you tell me if it's too much. It's gonna cause like contractions. It doesn't hurt, but you tell me if it's too much though.
No, that's fine.
And everything you feel, like I can feel the electrical stimulus all the way through my forearm, through my hand too.
Wow. I'm not even moving my arm, bro. It's moving by itself. And what is this doing?
So what it's doing is actually sending an electrical charge through me into the muscles. So when muscles are tight, if they have pain, if they're injured, they lose an electrical charge.
Got it.
So this is almost like it's like recharging your cell phone for your muscle. Wow. So it'll loosen everything up. Everything will be back to closer to normal than what it should be. And then the bones move a lot easier that way too with the adjustment.
Whoa, feels weird.
I'm gonna come right here. See that right there? And I can back off if you tell me though.
No, that's fine. Not that bad. It's kind of a weird feeling though, because it's moving your whole entire muscle.
Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're just gonna relax. Just kind of like that. I'm gonna put a little pressure. It's gonna be loud, okay?
Okay. Oh my gosh. What was that? Yo, what the heck?
I told you it's gonna move, man.
Wow.
You all right?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm okay.
We gotta get this time, man.
Wow.
Right there. Gonna lean back, just relax.
Ooh. Ooh. My head's still.
All right. I know you can hear it all the way over there, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow.
All the time?
Yeah, man.
I'm
gonna use this roller. It's a 40-pound roller. I'm gonna set it right down your back.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna kind of roll out these muscles in the upper back and around the shoulder. You tell me if it's too much, all right?
Okay.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Where are you gonna be tonight?
We're gonna be at Club Flirt.
Okay. It's in Arlington, right?
It's in Arlington, yeah. I still can't get over that.
The neck?
The neck Wow, man,
It's
that was
different, man.
crazy.
Okay, cool. So right, I'm gonna put a little pressure. There's gonna be a pop, all right?
Okay.
Just relax. Good. Okay. Go ahead and flip over on your back.
Oh, wow.
And then we're gonna cross your arms like right
Okay.
here, like a hug. Just gonna put a little pressure.
Okay.
Okay.
I want you to bring your hips closer to the edge, a little bit closer.
Oh.
Yeah, there.
Okay.
You're gonna bend this thing.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull you a little bit towards me. You're gonna do a little window here. I'm gonna place my hand here. and
Okay.
You're gonna squeeze me there. Okay?
Okay. Oh, wow, I'm already.
Your hand for me. And it out.
Oof. Wow. Okay.
Go ahead and
All
turn,
right.
turn the other way. Turn the other way.
You're gonna do the other one?
You got it.
Sometimes I do this by myself. No, I'm just playing.
Bring your hip closer to the edge. There you go. Move you here.
Okay.
Same thing. Squeeze my hand there.
Wow.
Popping.
It's already.
Okay, breathe
Yeah.
in. And out.
Ooh.
Man.
Wow. Wow.
That's great. That's her little specialty. I don't do that kick move. Go-
Wow.
drop your legs right there. Relax right here. I'm give a little pull.
Oh.
Good. Okay. Come on up, man.
Wow.
All right, man. Tell the camera how you feel. Tell everybody how you feeling.
I feel like a brand new man. I ain't gonna lie. I feel amazing. I feel like I'm 1 inch taller. Feels insane. I would definitely recommend it. I've never done this before. This is my first time. And just trust me on this one. Dr. G got you on this one.
Hey, we got you. You're in Dallas, man. Good deal.